And now it is our time to play with the new Mavic Air, and my dear friend Patrick gonna walk us through the features.
Sure. So I'm coming from a Phantom 3 Professional. It had the big white controller, if anybody knows what that was like.
Yep.
But this has a lovely man's phone. He's just given it to us, so it's a same as yours, isn't it? An S8.
Yep.
And you've got the controller that connects in via one of the ports on this side. Connects in at the top there, so you can actually have different cables, because Misha, we were talking about this, weren't we? We wondered if you could get a USB-C cable or if it was just iPhone or what, but no, you can connect any cables into here. These detached for portability apparently, so it makes it a lot flatter for if you want to put the controller in your pocket or something. Obviously got the antennas. This is over Wi-Fi, not the gigahertz band that it was on before, I believe. But yeah, everything's controlled via the screen now. So this is something I'm not used to, which is the whole kind of
jet fighter pilot thing,
object detection and collision warnings.
Yeah, because this is like one of the most important features on the new Mavic Air is the avoidance system.
Yeah,
it scans the environment.
Like, what, 7 sensors or something like that?
Yeah. And the most important bit is for people like me who never fly the drone, because back in the days, like 5 years ago, when drones started to become popular, I flew once and I crashed 10 times with it. And I'm like, okay, it's not for me. So this will make it.
Yeah, this
actually
will make
very
it so
accessible.
Basically, so you don't crash. So you can see up here it's saying above and below us there's obstacles, obviously, because it's on the ground at the moment. And this drone doesn't have massive feet on it, so it kind of takes off from the floor and goes up from there. Like all of the DJI drones, you've kind of got the GPS map in the corner, so if you do lose it, which definitely hasn't happened to me before in Monaco, then luckily that map can tell you exactly where it was last seen. And up here you've got all of the settings for the camera. So this one does 4K 30, which is very good for its size. It's very, very small. And obviously
it does 4K 30, it does 2K in 60 and 1080 and 120.
Yeah, so I reckon the 1080 120, that's the same as the A7S Mark II. So combining those two for like a really cool slow-mo video, especially maybe some drifting or something.
Yeah. You could also do like the 2K in 60p and then upscale the footage if you're like really into 4K. But for this price and all the other extra features that we're going to discuss is actually, well, a steal, I would say. And
it has a lot of other features that hopefully we'll be able to work out how to do in a second, which can follow you around or take a, what's it, a panoramic photo, like a 360 photo?
Yeah, the panoramic, you have the asteroid function and the boomerang function that are very cool.
Yeah.
So I guess let's launch it.
So it's kind of like swipe to unlock. If anybody remembers how to swipe to unlock an iPhone.
Yeah, I think so.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh, and there it is. There we go.
Slowly bring it up. Yeah, it's really small. That's my first thing to note. I'm used to flying a much bigger drone and it disappears very quickly. But you can now see on the screen, you can still tilt and pan the camera as normal. So pan this down, you might be able to see us.
Oh, there we are.
So if I spin this round and bring it towards us, if there's any obstacles, hopefully it will avoid them. There we are. So if you keep the camera down and I look up, I can wave at the drone. There it is.
Oh no, yeah, okay. Now you wave up.
Yeah, so I will press record as well on this.
Hello.
So you should have that footage hopefully in this video spliced in if we manage to do it right and it all works. So now if I just go straight up. Now you can see a bit more of our surroundings, but it's a very nice hotel, aren't we? I mean, look at this. There's a heliport, of course.
Yep.
This is Monaco after all. And then if I spin it around, try and do it smoothly, because if this is going to go in the video, we want it to look good, of course. So it does auto exposure and everything, it seems like, as well. There's some, are they yachts or are they? No, I think, what are they? No, they're oil tankers or something.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Poor man's yachts.
Yeah, exactly. Nobody's living on that. So here is the hotel that we've been staying at. We've been at for today. It's
for the launch event. Yep.
If you pan down a bit, you can see the amazing gardens if I go across.
Yeah, the range is 4 kilometers, they told us.
Yeah, I imagine that is 4 kilometers across like a completely flat surface, rather than any kind of mountainous terrain. So I imagine if we took it over the mountain over there, the one that looks like it's nearly raining at the above of it, it would disappear. That's what's happened to me before.
That's when the GPS function comes handy.
Yeah, so...
Should we check out the object detection?
Yeah, so let's
function.
bring it back across. Let's point it towards me so I'm flying towards myself, otherwise it gets kind of confusing. And then bring it back across. Let's watch out for the drone below us. So what should we do? Should we do that tree behind? Do that tree there on my left. Yeah, so here's just the object detection. It's suggesting that at 27 feet, and you can see it as it gets closer. It's kind of like it's the exact same system in like a reversing camera to a car.
Like in the car, yeah.
Yeah, it's going to go no, 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 and then when you crash, I mean, it'll probably just turn off like a car. You have to stop and hope for the best. So these are the intelligent flight modes, and these provide you kind of all of the different cool options. You've got a tripod, which I can only assume is like taking a still photo from a certain height.
Let's do the active track and let them try to follow me.
Okay, let's try that.
So we just need to find. Okay, look, it's already detecting
found
people.
Loads of people.
It needs to find us. Where are we?
Let's spin it around. Give it a helping hand.
There now click on me.
You're the one there. There we go.
That's me.
So in theory, if you get up now and walk left and right,
I'll just go away. Like.
Quasi einmal drin, sondern das meiste ist ja doppelt.
Run away, run away. And now the other way. The future is now, people. The future is now.
Okay, so
let's do the final two features, the boomerang and an asteroid. And I think we covered pretty much everything.
So if you go in over here under the quick shot modes, and there's various options. You've got droney, which I imagine is a selfie, but with a drone. You've got circle, helix, which is I guess where it starts to center and works its way out, which can be really cool for videos. Rocket, boomerang, and asteroid. So we want to try boomerang first.
Well, yeah, let's do that. So we need to find us first.
Fly around one circle, then ascend and fly to the furthest position, then fly back to the start. So
okay.
Yeah, it needs to find us, right?
Yep.
Bring it further away from us. And then bring it down.
There we are.
Let me bring it across. So we.
Yep. I'm waving at it, so it should find us.
Okay, look up. Look, use your face to look up. Oh, maybe that'll work. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, it's both of us. So in theory, this works now.
No, that's the boomerang, huh?
Hopefully it avoids all the obstacles on the way.
Should do.
It's going quite far, isn't it? Blimey.
Yeah. Like a real boomerang.
Yeah.
Cannot get more Australian than this.
Wow. I mean, from the screen down here, that looked absolutely mega. That was perfect. Ah, and we're done.
Yeah, okay, and let's...
Oh, low battery warning. We'll try and do the last one quick.
Yeah.
Final one is quick shot again, and this time it's asteroid. So this is where... That's really cool, that video.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's try and do that.
It's the most epic one.
So, let's draw a box over us.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Now it's gonna like zoom out, I believe.
Yep.
Peace on you.
It's going far, isn't it? Man.
Yeah.
It's a great view down here, Misha. On the screen.
What do we have?
That.
Wow.
Now it's, I guess, capturing the whole area to get the 360 image.
Well, we have 25%. Well, yeah, it's beeping quite early, I would say.
It's saying up here we've got 3 minutes left until it will automatically come home. So it's just, I imagine it's more of a safety thing to make you aware.
That's good.
Yeah. The last thing you want is to lose your drone in the sea or anywhere that... And because of the GPS, it knows how far away it is from you, so it will calculate the distance required to get back. So in theory, you're never left stranded.
Yeah.
Because that battery life there in between the green and the red is battery life to get you home.
Yeah.
So in theory, it will always get you back to base.
Do you think we'll have enough time to do gesture control?
Maybe.
We could try. Well, there it is.
So we can see your hand.
Take off.
Going away. It's done.
And I guess now
we just go home.
Yeah, go to home.
So it remembers where it took off or not.
Yeah, it does. So it should.
So it should land exactly there. Oh, look at that! What a smart little fella. And you're not touching anything, right? It's just
no. I've got to force it to land now because it thinks there's people in the way, but we know there isn't because we can see it.
Awesome.
And it's done. And just like that, with 19% battery left.
Wow.
No worries.
Perfect.
So, this is the battery for it.
Mm-hmm.
Which is very compact. It's almost the whole of the drone.
Yeah.
But you think about the camera is here. You can see where the camera ends. And then there's sensors here, and then there's that thin for everything else.
Yeah, the full battery allows you to fly 21 minutes, they said.
Which is as long as I've got a Phantom 3 Professional, and that allows me to fly 20 minutes as well. And the battery in that's huge. It's like this massive thing.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I've never folded this
Can you fold it? Oh, okay, yeah.
But I'm going to assume it's
easy.
easy.
You need to close the landing gear.
Okay.
This it, and
like
then...
that. Like that.
Yeah. And the other way.
Fold like
yeah.
Okay, well, considering I've never done this before, with a little bit of guidance,
it's pretty good.
Like that. There you go.
And
right, you're going home now, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
In your pocket, and I'll see you later.
Like you could basically put it really. Come on, gimbal, phone.
It's pocketable.
Yeah, try you try it. Yeah.
I'll leave my wallet out of the way. These are skinny jeans for reference, but if my t-shirt's not in the way, hang on.
So like about a decade ago.
Yeah. Back in the 90s, this would have been a lot easier.
No. Designers had to adjust fashion for the big smartphones, and now they're gonna adjust fashion for drones.
There you go.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Dude, if you would be on a catwalk.
Is that a drone in your pocket? Are you excited to see it?
That's gonna be the headline of the video.
Hang on, guys, I'll just get my drone back out. Make sure none of the propellers get stuck on my trousers, which I think they are. Yeah, so this is easier if you've got maybe a jacket pocket, but it's too sunny here for jackets, so yeah. There we go.
Awesome.
All the blades are okay, like I haven't bent them, they were just stuck in my pocket because I've got too thin the trousers on.
Yeah.
But you can imagine like a jacket pocket, controller in one, drone in the other.
It also comes with a very handy case.
Yeah.
That we see we can
have
a look at the case. Well, to finalize this video, during the presentation they said that this drone has 3 core things: the power, portability, and intelligence. So in this case, the power refers to the powerful camera that we already explained, 4K in 30 frames per second, or 1080 in 120, and in between you have the 2K at 60. Yep, there we go. Oh, thank you. I'll take it with me. Yeah, so that's so far the power. The intelligence, we already showed you those amazing modes, and it also has gesture control, very advanced. And portability, well, we just explained, it even fits in the skinny jeans.
And if you're not very good at flying drones, even though it has obstacle avoidance, active obstacle, all of this stuff, you can even have these on it. So
yeah.
if it hits something like you.
Like me, yeah. I will not be cut in half. Well, awesome. Thank you very much for assistance.
My pleasure. It's been a real experience here. It's been fantastic weather for it, like you said.
Yeah.
And yeah, what a location to test out their new drone.
Yeah, awesome.